Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to synchronize 11 labs and video. Okay, so for example, I was creating, this motivational reel for Instagram right here. And let's say this template, everything is usually about 5 seconds each, right? And this is what the music sounds like. Let me play a sample for you. So it has text. For example, overthinking will destroy your happiness. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. I'll go back to 11 Labs. We'll generate a voice for this, a script. So I'll go to voices. I'll click on library and I will search for a deep voice to narrate this. And then here we have, for example, David.
The winds of the lands between whisper of your deed.
This sounds good. Let's listen to this one.
The rain falls gently, softly.
Okay. I mean, if you want to use this voice, you can just click our ad and then you'll be able to use this. I already used David before, so I'll go ahead and use this one instead. Now just click on use and then you will be redirected to this page. So let me go ahead and paste that. So it says here, overthinking will destroy your happiness. You're going to keep these settings as it is. Now click on regenerate speech. Let's see what it sounds like.
Overthinking will destroy your happiness.
Sounds nice. So I'll go ahead and download this. Okay. Now, once this is downloaded, you can go ahead and upload this to Canva. And once it's done uploading, I will take the audio clip and we'll go ahead and put it in this video and I'll synchronize it. Let me show you. So if I drag this all the way here, it's about 1.8 seconds. So I'll have to reduce this as well. We will go ahead and make this 1.8 seconds so that it matches with the audio. So let's go ahead and look at this again. Look at this one, right?
Overthinking.
Now the thing is, the music
will destroy your happiness.
The music volume is quite high, so I will go ahead and adjust this lower, about 15 or 14. And this audio, I will go ahead and increase this to about almost 300. Let's go and listen to this again now. Okay, we'll do it from the start. So I'll drag this one here. Let's listen.
Overthinking will destroy your.
That sounds much better. And then you're going to repeat the same process for this part of the video. Go ahead and generate another audio clip. And then we'll go ahead and download this.
Breath. Exhale and have.
Okay, and just repeat the process. And it's really that easy and simple, guys.